Excuse me. Hello everyone, I'm here with another layout, and this one is the January 2019 kit. This is the 5th layout that I've done. I'm currently working on March, so these layouts I have done for a little while. So my background is going to be basil cardstock, and that Yay layer is from Crepe Paper's Hooray called Yay. And this is Mateo's birthday when he was in kindergarten, so it would have been his 6th. He turned 6. Because when he turned 5, he came to live here, and then, so he turned 6. And this is when his uncle and his grandma came from Miami to meet his teacher and see his school and that sort of thing. And this was the birthday cake that I got him. And then we went to Chuck E. Cheese. That's where he chose to go, and he wants to go again this year. He asked me if we could go to Chuck E. Cheese for his birthday, and I said, of course. Usually it's just us, and we go, and he has a blast. He is not a child who really needs a huge, elaborate party. I mean, does he like them? I am sure he probably does, but we have the most fun just us. And I'm happy that he's not a materialistic kind of person. He doesn't need to have the best of the best. We go to the store and we bargain shop, and he's really good about, oh, well, this one is only $1.20 and this is $3.40, so we need to get this one. So I mean, he's good about that. So the pink confetti layer strip, I should say, is the reverse side of the Yay layer. And then I was trying to figure out if I want to use that blue layer or not. Yeah, Reese, I see who knocks my paper towels down now. You do. I'm going to do my strip, cut off the excess. Then I decided to add another scrap in there. I have several branding strips that have a pattern on one side that I try to keep and use because they make good layering pieces, like in corners and whatnot, for your embellishments. So I try to use them so I can use those as my foundation for die cuts. And so this is going to be Celebrate Happy Day, and I take those from the American Crafts Celebrate Thickers. Now, I will say this kit was based around birthdays, so luckily I happen to have these birthday photos. So last year, I'm trying to think what we did for his birthday last year when he turned 7. I can't even remember. I think I met my brother at, well, I adopted him as my brother. We actually worked together before he moved to a middle school as a janitor. And it's celebrate. Oh, it says celebrate your happy day. I didn't put that in my title. Anyway, so, no, what was I saying? Oh, so we did go bowling. But his dad didn't go with us. So certainly I did something else for his birthday. I just don't remember. Oh, my baby girl. Coco, she's laying in the hallway. So all these stickers that you see me pulling in, those are actually also from the American Crafts Celebrate stickers. Your is actually the American Crafts Fairy Tale stickers. And then the die cuts are Pink Fresh Studio, Everyday, Musings. I don't know how you pronounce that. I do apologize. Oh, and then of course Patton has to come in and interrupt my scrapbooking. Always. Always when I'm recording, he does that. Although, when am I not recording a video? I record every single layout that I do. There is not one layout that is not on my YouTube channel that I have not filmed. Because I'm like, I don't need to film every single layout, but I have this thing. I can't not film something. It like makes me anxious. As weird as that sounds, yeah, it does. So, okay. All right, so I'm going to put down my title. And then that will, I don't think there's anything else I do to this layout. If I do anything else, it'll be splatters, like I do the little, like my black homemade spray mists. I might put that. And the your, I want to take off the picture because the picture is a little bit dark and the letters are blue, and so it kind of blended in. So I needed all of the word your off the picture. I'm sorry, I'm tired. I feel sleepy. So I have to do the cluster there by the photos. But I couldn't just do the circle sticker. I needed a tab or tag or something that it sat on. And I really wanted to use that word grow because, of course, with each birthday, the child has grown. I need to print his, I think I did. Actually, I think I printed his pictures. And so here I'm going to do some journaling strips. And then once I'm done with that, once I have those done, that pretty much, because I felt that corner was so, I don't know, with everything else, that spot right there, that space just needed something. So I decided journaling strips would be perfect for that area. So, anyway, once I'm done with that, that completes my layout. And so when I have more done, I will certainly be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.